Hello, Blizzard. This is Jesse here in California. Yeah, I'm still here. I know what you did in 1 year, Blizzard. I just saw news too. Van Vantage saw news too. You signed up with China, and I'm fucking pissed, dude. You're playing Blitz Jump in China and Hong Kong. I am fucking furious with you, and I really like fuck you. And I feel like, go fuck yourself. And this is what you do, I mean, on us in the United States of America. I can't believe you signed up with China and you did this to us. Let me tell you something. Even I like video games that I just ever played, never did to video games. And I offer to tell you, lick my hairy balls. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, Blizzard. Yes, he did that to us. You just did that to us, not my friend. I mean, not me, just us. And I've been so not doing anything for a few months. Get my money back. Get my new APT card to buy. And keep my shit together. Some bunch of shit against me. That is what you're doing, Blizzard. You just played Blitzchung. I don't give a fuck about you. You were playing Blitzchung. I was, I'd fuck off and don't fuck off yourself. And I, and now you, oh, goddamn. I see what you fucking do. I'm not even, I'm just sort of pissed off or something about you playing Blitzchung in Hong Kong. Everybody's fucking furious with you, and they about to beat your ass for the president of the United States of America. Yeah, I'ma beat your ass, Blizzard. It doesn't make sense of it, but a month ago, but 1 year ago, you just signed up with China. And I ain't even know who you are anymore. You're just sort of fucked up person. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Our Francis is unhappy about you signing up with China and play Blitzchung in Hong Kong. None of them are concerned. And you know what I'm been through. Everybody's furious with you and they about to fuck you up right now. Oh. And I don't even like you anymore. You're just a fucked up, irritated person that I meant. And I'm sorry for you lost. I just want to say, oh, yo, what do you think about to do without our city to fix everything? My city doesn't make sense. Do you exist? I don't even care about you. Sign up with China, Blizzard. You're a fucked up guy. You're just a fucked up killer refill that I ever met on my own. Travel to China with an airplane and sign up with China. And I went all the hell this and all the hell that. I'm not my business. Not even you. Just being a lazy ass person for what you did to us. And I really lost up that night. And I hope you subscribe me to my channel. And I hope you will watch the video on my channel to make you sorry as fucked up Tuesday to me and my fault. You're born here. You are the worst, horrible lotto that I ever know you. I don't know you at all. Just saying to you to get the fuck out of here. And I hope you hope you get a message from my Gmail and you would go to prison for us. You're going to jail to make you sorry ass out of here, United States of America to China and Hong Kong. Get the fuck off my stage!